everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you this gorgeous bun. But before I do, I just want to tell you about the inspiration for this bun. It came from Beth Belshaw at Sweetheart Hair Design. If you go just up here and click on that little dot just up there, you'll be able to get to her channel and you'll be able to see her and subscribe because you're going to love her. She's brilliant, she can do so much, all sorts of different types of hair styles are available on there. And at the end of this video, I'll put a link to the original style so you can see where I was inspired originally. Okay, so let's get started. So, to begin with, you're going to need to get the hair into a ponytail. I've got a perfect ponytail YouTube video. I'll put a link to that just over here. If you just click over here, you'll be able to see the perfect ponytail. So, see how to do the perfect ponytail and then come back to this one. Okay, so for now, what I'm going to do is, because I've already got the hair in the ponytail, I'm going to take one more bobble. Okay, so I'm going to take this bobble, I'm going to put the hair through it, one time like so. Twist, and can you see how I've got the loop? I'm going to get the hair, and I'm going to just flip it like that. So I've made a bit of a lumpy bump shape just there. Okay, so now we have the little lump on the top of her head. I'm going to separate this hair into 3 pieces. I'm going to take the right side over the middle, left side over the middle, right side over the middle, left side over the middle. So now I've finished the braid, I'm going to bring the hair over like so. What I do now is I'm going to just tease on these edges slightly. And then I'm going to tuck these tails under and just... Okay, so I've got a hairnet now, just to keep all these little extra bits from falling out. So take it over the top. I'm going to use some wider pins now, and then just hook it over like that. So don't forget to go and check out Beth and go and see her original style. It's a lot more soft, it's pretty for like a bridesmaid or a flower girl, but we've just changed it up a little bit just to make it into a little bit more of a ballet bun, to keep it a little bit neater and tighter and a lot more slick to her head. Okay, so until next time, take care, bye!
Bye!